Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to recover your Hotmail account in 2026. So if you've lost access or forgot your password, don't worry, I've got you covered. First, open your browser and go to the Hotmail or Outlook account recovery page. You can search Hotmail account recovery or directly visit the Microsoft recovery site. Next, type in the email address of the account you want to recover. Make sure it's the full address, including at hotmail.com, then click Next. Now, Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity. This could be via a code sent to your phone, your alternate email, or by answering security questions. Pick whichever method you have access to and follow the instructions. Once your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to reset your password. Choose a strong new password you haven't used before. um, you know, Something secure but easy to remember. Finally, after resetting the password, you can log into your Hotmail account again. Check all your emails and make sure everything is back to normal. And that's it. Super easy. And that's how you recover your Hotmail account easily in 2026. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.